Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 CNC engraving machines. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Acmeer S2. Specifications. Brand name, Acmeer. Engraving area, 300 by 300 millimeters. Laser type, blue light diode. Laser output power, 4000 milliwatts, 7000 milliwatts, 12,000 milliwatts. Engraving accuracy, 0.01 millimeters. Maximum engraving speed, 10,000 millimeters per minute. Origin, China. Certification, CE. Product number 4, Laser CNC Laser Cutter Engraver. Specifications. Brand name, Laser. Model number, ALDK2. Working area, 400 by 435 millimeters. Large working area, 400 by 880 millimeters. Engraving speed, up to 12,000 millimeters per minute. Touch screen, 3.5-inch IPS screen. Control mode, PWM. Input format, BMP, JPG, PNG, NC, DXF, SVG, etc. Warranty, 1 year's free warranty. Origin, China. Product number 3, Laser Tree K1 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Laser Tree. Model number, LT-K1 Pro 30W. Engraving area, 400 by 400 millimeters. Engraving speed, 20,000 millimeters per minute. Engraving precision, 0.01 millimeters. Wavelength, 450 nanometers. Focus length, 40 millimeters. Operating temperature, 0 to 60 degrees Celsius. Support software, Lightburn and Laser GRBL. Product number 2, Rodspawn Laser Engraver. Specifications. Brand name, Rodspawn. Engraving area, 300 by 300 millimeters. Controller, GRBL. Power input, 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz. Laser power, 2.5 watts to 7 watts. Origin, China. Product number 1, Acmeer Mini Portable Laser Engraver. Specifications. Brand name, Acmeer. Laser output power, 2000 W. Laser type, diode laser. Laser wavelength, 455 nanometers. Working distance, 2 millimeters. Engraving accuracy, 0.01 millimeters. Working area size, 130 by 130 millimeters. Control software, Lightburn, Laser GRBL. Origin, China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.